We have had a great move on gold, but is gold trend coming to an end? Here's a look at the weekly time frame. You certainly wouldn't believe it to be coming to an end at all, guys. And as a day trader as well, we've been day trading the morning move around gold because the trend is up very nicely indeed. We'll take a little look at the day trades in one moment, but on the weekly time frame, you can see here that we had the last buy signal from a red to green on the ProTrend system and tracks back in January of this year, and we consolidated for several weeks here, and then we've just broken out to new highs. And then if you look at the 5-minute chart that's from this morning, we've just been long. So the morning move in gold has been fantastic. We've gone from red to green, 3,583 all the way up to 3,600. So very nice move, and then a new breakout just a minute ago. So gold has very much been a buy all morning in the morning move. From a swing trading point of view, that weekly time frame I think has further to go. First target at 3,270. Next target's just hit last week at 3,584, and now we've got a target all the way up here at 3,899. So I think after this consolidation, which in a wave count terms is a wave 4, this could certainly extend into wave 5, and I think this 4,000 area, which probably is, where this target is here, is where it's going to head next. Now, of course, I'm not giving any financial advice here. I'm just looking at it from a charting point of view, guys. But you can see that gold can extend. Gold commodities like to extend in their final trend higher. And so you can see gold here as it's broken out. Let's draw some trend lines. As it's broken out of this sort of triangle formation. Triangles tend to be the pattern before a breakout and before the final move. So if we get up to this area here, then expect a deeper size correction to the downside. Let's take a little look at the monthly time frame, because that is one hell of a chart. I like to gauge the storyteller indicator down here of how far it's gone up on these histograms, and you can see we're exceeding any move that's happened before. So we're not starting the trend. Gold is not at the start of a bull market. It's more like coming to the start of the end of the wave count. But if we can extend up to that 4,000 zone, guys, all right, I think then that's a nice place to bank quite a bit of profit if you're long gold. And then we'll probably get a decent sized correction. I think, there's a down up move to come soon. Just like you can see here on the daily time frame, it's been long in this move. Lovely buy signals here, lovely green tracks, lovely move up. I think if we do get a pullback in the coming days into some reds here, I think the next green will be a lovely buying opportunity. So with the ProTrend system and tracks, we're looking at the greens and the reds and the whites and the blues and the yellows, but in particular we want to be buying on green, guys. And that last buy signal was right in here. Okay, so we pushed up from there very nicely indeed. If you want to be getting some of these trades, these big moves that are starting out, we're in a brilliant place in the stock market for new trades setting up. We're in a brilliant place for commodities. September, I think, is going to be a great trading month. But what I'm saying with gold is the next pullback here into a red, into new greens, will be that thrust up to that 4,000 mark, I think. All right, so keep your eye on it, guys. The charts never lie. It's right there in green and red with ProTrend system. And as I said earlier, I mean, if you're trading these bigger time frames, why not then go down to a smaller time frame? Like these 5-minute charts, and go for that beautiful morning move. Okay, so Tuesday evening, I'm going to be doing trading the morning move with our color method. The link will be in below this this email, guys. Make sure you register for that. Okay, going for a day's money. This morning we were short in dollar yen. We were long the DAX. Very nice profits indeed this morning, guys. And if you're looking to replace your job, your income, or even just adding a little bit more income to your monthly income, then jump on to our webinar tomorrow night. It is the morning move.